In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this HSV material. Let's click to the Shading tab, and take a look at the nodes. Basically, I have added color ramp and gradient texture nodes. The HSV trick is to select blue and orange. If we select yellow as the second color, we won't see the rainbow effect. If we select a reddish-yellow color as the second color, then we'll get the rainbow effect like the first color ramp's HSV material. Solid color will create a normal gradient material. For this example, we need to select the one that is not solid. I'll show you how to create this gear mesh. Shift-A to create a new mesh. Go to Mesh, Gears, and Gear. If you don't see that, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Tab to go to Edit Mode, and 2 to Edge Select. Shift and Alt select these two edge loops, and Ctrl East to bridge edge loops. Let's increase the metallic setting and decrease the roughness. Right-click and shade Smooth to smooth the surface. We need to auto-smooth as well. For the rotating camera animation, please watch the tutorial in the description below. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.